How to share your Shein cart. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide in how you can share your cart on Shein app. Now you can do it on the app itself or you can do it on the Shein website. Here you can see I'm on the Shein website here, shein.com. Simply head into your browser here and you'll be headed into the website here. Now as you know, if you tap on the cart option there that you can see along with the items, it'll be added to your cart. Now I'll just click on there, and once you tap on it here you can see add to cart option at the very bottom of your screen, and you can add it to your cart and it'll be added to cart. And similarly you can add other products as well. Now I'll add a couple of ones, or what you can do is you can tap on the cart icon there and you can see a little heart icon there beside the cart icon. You can set it to favorites and it'll be added to favorites. You can see there. You can do similarly, and what you want to do is you want to either add it to your cart or you want to add it to your favorites. Now since there is no any direct way to share your cart to other applications, or there is no any direct way to share your cart here, what you want to do is once you save it to favorite, once you add it to favorite, or once you add it to your cart, you can head into your cart option by tapping on the cart icon at the top right corner, and from there you can add it to your favorites again later on. Now since you want to save your cart, simply head into your cart and then you want to add it to your favorites. As the process is similar, you just have to tap on the heart icon. Now once you do this, on the home page of the website here you can see three different icons at the top right corner. You can see the search icon, you can see heart icon, and you can see the cart icon. Simply tap on the heart icon there and this will load up. You can see there are three items currently here on my favorite. Now once you do this, what you want to do, once you add your cart to your favorite or to your wish list, head into the boards option. Simply tap on create boards now, and then you'll be able to name your board. You can name anything you like. I'll just name it cart right here, and then tap on create board. And once you tap on create board, it'll ask you to select items. Now select every items on your cart that you want to share, and once you do this, what you want to do is you want to select the add to board option at the bottom right corner. You can see, simply tap on add to board, and you can see once you do this, your boards will be created here. Once your boards is created, you can see it'll be shown on boards here. You can see the cart board there, and you can see three different items there. Now what you want to do is you can see the share option there. Simply tap on the share option there and you'll be able to share it to other apps such as Facebook, Pinterest, or Twitter, and any other available apps that you have. So this way you can share your Shein cart. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.